Hey, hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome in or welcome back to the channel. I'm here. I am here. 62 has been unlocked 62 times around the sun. Baby, I am excited and I'm feeling good. I may not look too good because I have had some good times. Yes, I've been enjoying myself while I had my little break. But today I'm back to it, getting back on top of what I was doing before, organizing, trying to make sure I maintain my own physicality as far as health, wealth. Yeah, wealth, skin, hair, nails, all of that. So y'all actually missed all of the pre-birthday prep, the prep before the birthday happened. So you're going to get that today, okay? You're going to get all of that today because when I tell you, when birthday mode kicked in, okay, your girl checked out. I was like, I am about to just do what I do. And I ain't even trying to get into no work related things, no sharing anything. As a matter of fact, for my birthday, I did not even pick up the camera but one time. And that was the little snippet you saw. Okay. But other than that, let's get to what we need to get to. Let y'all see. Come on in. Come on in. And that's it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You know what they say. You know what they say. When she walks in, the air just shifts. Ain't no spell, ain't no trick. It's just that woman's magic. Yeah, come on now. She don't chase nobody. She don't beg no love. She know her worth. She's lifted up above. Got that soft and that strong. She's the perfect mix. When she looks your way, boy, your heartbeat skips. She ain't got to say a word. Her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in. She's too divine. That woman's magic will mess with your mind. That woman's magic. Ooh, yeah. Got the kind of love that'll heal your pain. That woman's magic. Oh, yeah. Got fire in her soul. And peace in her veins. She been hurt, but she learned to forgive. She let go of the past so she could live. Got that Sunday spirit and that Friday swing. Every move she makes is a sacred dance. Every dream she touches gets a second chance. She don't dim her shine for nobody's view. She's the light, the love, the breakthrough. That woman's magic. She turned pain into power, tears into flame. That woman's magic. Ooh, yes she do. Ain't nobody else got that kind of magic. She's got that magic. She's got that magic. Ooh, yes she do. She's got that magic. From her heart to her shoes. She's got that magic. You can feel it in the groove. That woman's love will see you through. Play it, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Let that spirit move. That's the sound of a strong woman. Yeah. Oh, that woman's magic. and still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic. To carry the weight of the world on my back, running on empty, never cutting myself slack. I gave and I gave till there was nothing left. Smiled through the pain, put my heart on a shelf. Then I heard a whisper in the still of the night, baby, slow down, you already alright. Laid my burdens down at the feet of grace, took a deep breath and reclaim my space. I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me knows where I'm at. No more proving, no more stress. I choose peace, I choose rest. I'm walking in my soft life, easy and slow, letting the river blessings flow. No heavy love, no fighting to stay. If it costs me my peace, I'm walking away. I'm wrapped in calm, covered in light, light, living gently, sleep, living good at night. Yeah, I'm walking in my soft light, and everything feels right. I dress my soul in comfort and truth, protect my joy like it's something to prove. I sip my mornings, I pray my days, I speak life over every phase. I don't beg for seats, I build my own table, only pouring love where it's stable. If it don't nourish me, I let it go. That's growth, baby, that's how I glow. I don't rush, I don't compete. What's divine always meets me halfway. I'm aligned, I'm in my lane, grace on my steps, ease in my name. I'm walking in my soft life, easy and slow, letting the river blessings flow. No heavy love, no fighting to stay. If it costs me my peace,